Hello everybody, my name is Nick Napier, and today I'm going to teach you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. I designed this video for complete beginners who have never solved any Rubik's Cubes before, but if you have, that's even better. All of the algorithms and chapters are in the description below, and be sure to comment with any questions you might have. So the first step to solving a 2x2 is to solve the white side, and the piece I start with is the white, red, and blue. So look around your cube and find the piece that has white, red, and blue. And then what you want to do is you want to take that white piece and have it face the ground, so face down. So now that we have the white, red, and blue piece on the bottom, we want to look for other pieces that also have white and red or white and blue on them. So we look on the top layer opposite the white, so this is going to be the top. We look for pieces on this top layer that also have white and red or white and blue, and we see this piece has white and red. So we know this red piece is going to go right next to this red one on the bottom. So now what we need to do is, this red piece we know needs to go right next to this red piece. What we need to do, say it was over here, we need to rotate this top layer so that the red piece is right above where it needs to go. And then the algorithm to actually insert this piece down here without messing anything up you've done before goes like this. So you move the right side up, move the top side to the left, move the right side down, top side to the right, and then unless that put the white piece on the bottom, you want to repeat this 4-move algorithm until it does that. So the right side up, top side to the left, right side down, top side to the right. And you want to just keep repeating this until that white piece is now facing the bottom. So this is what you're going to be looking for. So you have both of the white pieces on the bottom with the red pieces matched up. Now you're going to be looking for other pieces on that top layer that also have white on them. So we see this piece has white, orange, and blue. So we look around and it matches up with the white and blue, and then the one that we started with had white and blue. So we know that these pieces go right next to each other because the blue is going to be on this side. So we rotate this top layer, so just like this, to where the piece we're wanting to solve is right above where it needs to go. So again, this is the white side, the bottom layer. It's going to be the piece that we're going to be solving next goes right below where we need it to go. And then so now it's facing the top right like this, and we do that 4-move algorithm again. Right side up, top side to the left, right side down, top side to the right. And again, we would repeat this until the white is facing the bottom. So once we have that piece solved, we now have 3 pieces. And also you'll notice these side colors like the blue and the red are also solved. So at any stage, if there's no white pieces on top and you see there's white piece on the bottom but it's not flipped correctly, I'll show you what you can do to solve this. So whichever piece is not flipped correctly or in the wrong spot, you'd place it on the bottom right like this, and then you do that 4-move algorithm just one time. Right side up, top side to the left, right side down, top side to the right. And then now that will have put the piece that was down here on the top layer, and then you can move it around to where you need it to go and insert it using those 4 moves again. If you run into a case like this where you have the white pieces solved on the bottom, if the pieces aren't solved on the side while also having the white, like this blue piece, these blue pieces are solved, but then these other side colors are not. These 2 pieces that don't match up are not solved. So what we have to do is pretend that they are in the wrong spot. So we do that 4-move algorithm to actually put them on the top layer. So now it's on the top layer, and we see it has white and green and white and orange. So we rotate it over to this side, which has white and orange right next to it, So we need to go right down below here, and we do that 4-move algorithm to solve this piece. And then once we have this piece solved, if this piece is now on the top layer, we can go ahead and move it over to where it needs to go. Or if it's down here like this, we would go ahead and just insert it to the top using the 4-move algorithm, and then go from there. So the first step is done, and you have the white side solved with all of the side colors matching up. So now you already have half of the cube solved so far. So the next step is to actually put the other top pieces in the correct position. So all of these top pieces are going to have one yellow sticker on them. If it's facing the top, that's okay, you can just ignore it for now. What we're looking at is all of the colors. So like this piece has yellow, red, and blue. We want to go and look for the corner that has red and blue on it. So we know this piece needs to go over here in order to be solved. It doesn't have to be flipped correctly with the yellow on top, but we just want it in the correct position. So like this is what we're looking for. This piece has red and blue, and it's right above the red and blue. So then once we have at least one piece in the correct position, we want to look around and see if there are any other pieces in the correct position as well. And you could either have one piece in the correct position like this, you could have 2, or you could have 4. If you have 4, you can go ahead and go on to the next step. If you have 2 pieces in the correct position like this, so this orange and blue and the green and orange, you can go ahead and rotate the top layer once, and you look around and see which piece is actually in the correct position, and it's this one. This is what you want. You want to have not 2, but only 1 solved piece. So now that we have 1 piece in the correct position, we want to go ahead and put it on the top right. So this would be the front of the cube. We want to put it in this position, and we want to do this algorithm. Top side to the left, right side up, top side to the right, left side up, top side to the left, right side down, top side to the right, left side down. And then after we do that, we want to look around the cube and see if all of the pieces are now in the correct position, and it is on this. If they did not get all solved, you'll have to go back and do that algorithm just one more time. Alright, so now that we have all of the pieces on the top layer in the correct position, now we want to go ahead and rotate them so that they're facing all with the yellow on the top. So how we do that is we find all of the pieces that do not have yellow on the top already, and we go ahead and put them on the top right. This is going to be the front face, so they're going to be on this top right. And now the algorithm we're going to do is another 4-move algorithm, and you'll either have to do it 2 or 4 times to get the actual yellow sticker facing the top. And it's very important at this stage to actually keep the cube in the same orientation that you've been holding it, as to not mess up the cube and have to start all over. So what you have to do is hold it with the top right piece being the one you're going to solve, and do this 4-move algorithm. Right side goes down, bottom side goes to the left, right side goes up, bottom side goes to the right, and we're going to do that again. So right side goes down, bottom side goes to the left, right side goes up, and bottom goes to the right. Keep holding that same face in the front. We want to look on the top layer, and if this color is yellow, then we want to move on to one of the other stickers by just rotating the top layer to the right or left, like this. And then keep doing that algorithm over and over. But if this sticker is not on the top, like in my case, you want to keep doing that algorithm another 2 times. Right side goes down, bottom side to the left, right side goes up, bottom side to the right. One more time. right side goes down, bottom side to the left, right side goes up, bottom side to the right. And so now we see that top color is yellow, so we can just rotate the top layer to another unsolved piece and keep doing that algorithm until that top color is yellow on the red, blue, and yellow piece. And then once we have this piece solved, we're going to rotate and see all of the other pieces. So this last one, we're going to go ahead and do that same algorithm to flip this last piece. And then all you gotta do is rotate this top layer and you will have solved your 2x2 for the first time. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed, be sure to subscribe to the channel for more of my videos, leave a like, and comment any questions you might have had. My name is Nick Napier, and I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll see you guys in my next video.